The debate surrounding the proliferation of automation in the agricultural sector is a topic you may have heard about, particularly concerning its impact on the workforce. Agricultural technology, including robots, sensors, and algorithms, is transforming farming. This transformation has intensified the debate on whether increased automation in the agricultural sector is ultimately beneficial or detrimental. The sector has historically experienced job displacement due to technological advancements. Additionally, it faces new challenges driven by a growing global population, an aging workforce, and environmental changes towards the end of the Industrial Revolution. Over half of American workers were employed in farming. Since then, the proportion of agricultural jobs in the American economy has declined to below 2%. Technology has been a significant driver of this change. During this period, tractors and electrical machinery replace horse-drawn equipment, and a substantial portion of manual labor in farming. Increased productivity brought about by agricultural technology has enabled farms to produce more with fewer workers, allowing workers to transition into other sectors. This increase in efficiency has also contributed to reducing food costs. While the average American family spent around 30% of their income on food in the past, today it revolves around that figure. Modern technology, especially autonomous tractors, precision agriculture, and product sensors, continues to enhance farm efficiency. For example, Spread, a Japanese company, is working on building a fully automated lettuce farming operation. This approach, combining indoor vertical farming and hydroponics, aims to increase yield per square meter and reduce contamination risk. According to Mino Ando from Spread's PR division, farms embracing automation will experience increased efficiency, productivity, and safety, although some may perceive the reduced need for personnel negatively. It will lower farm operating costs and enable farms to conduct planting and harvesting activities faster and more accurately. Looking at Spread's automated lettuce production system, the company aims to create a new business model for farming that ensures stability and more consistent income. This more stable income allows farmers to hire people temporarily during peak seasons to manage pressing needs, thereby stimulating the economy. In many farms, technology will not entirely replace all workers. A McKinsey study examined various professions and determined how much of their jobs could be automated. When evaluating the automation potential of agriculture, the study suggests that advanced ag technologies may lead to some job losses in the sector. Various studies detail recent declines in manufacturing jobs in the United States, with a significant portion attributed to automation. While there may be some differences in agriculture, the overall trend is expected to be largely similar. Should we be concerned about the long-term impact of agricultural technology and automation on employment? There is a consensus among economists that while increased automation may pose short-term challenges to employment, it will ultimately bring long-term benefits. To understand how the introduction of ag tech will unfold, we need only look back at the history of new technologies that have created new job demands. Despite initial fears and resistance, these innovations did not lead to mass unemployment or poorer societies. Those who lost their agricultural jobs due to new electric machines did not remain unemployed but found employment in other sectors. Looking at Spread's automated lettuce production system, the company establishes a system that distributes lettuce to stores throughout Japan. The company's marketing team handles all production needs, from product packaging designs to store displays. This reduces production employment while increasing distribution employment, while robot technology may replace some human tasks. It generally takes on repetitive and simple tasks requiring physical labor. Ando, the company representative, notes that human jobs shift to more creative and rewarding tasks, such as marketing and R&D. Research and development continuously progress through technology and other tools. This progress is inevitable and affects all economic sectors, including agriculture. Efforts should focus on learning new skills and distributing information to enable everyone to benefit from these new technologies. Agriculture proves that robots won't take over all our jobs. You might have thought manufacturing disappeared from the United States, but manufacturing output is actually at an all-time high. The myth exists because employment in manufacturing has declined over decades. This is because machines and automation have enabled fewer people to produce more each year, while manufacturing jobs will likely continue to decline. Other sectors may follow the path of increasing automation. However, the mistake is assuming that total jobs will decrease. In summary, the rise of automation and agricultural technology may pose some short-term employment challenges, but history also shows that it drives innovation, economic growth, and the creation of new job opportunities. To adapt to this change, a proactive approach emphasizing education, skill development, and overall community support is necessary. Education, skill development, and inclusive policies are important for ensuring a smooth transition for workers and communities affected by automation-driven changes in sectors like technology and agriculture.